Hello everyone, in this video you will get to know that how you can manage your money smartly so that you are ready for a recession or the toughest situations. Number 1 is how to plan a safe financial future during this lockdown period. Our financial health plays a significant role in determining our mental and familiar stability. An unstable financial situation can not only take a difficult turn, but it can also cause a dent in your happy world. Due to the recent COVID-19 outbreak, many industrial firms and giant companies have faced major economic instability and shutdown. While business organization continues to tackle this situation and look for solutions, they have simultaneously offered voluntary retirement plans to their employees, even when the government has instructed otherwise. Therefore, in these times of financial unpredictability and insecurity, it is extremely paramount that we not only protect ourselves from this dangerous virus but also safeguard ourselves from a monetary mess in the near future. In order to help you maintain a financial secure future in times of an economic slowdown, we bring to you some smart ways to manage your money. Number 2 is increase your emergency fund. The coronavirus pandemic has drastically affected the entire economic system, which can have long-term repercussions on the global economy. In these times of crisis, it is crucial that you manage your funds intelligently. Ideally, your emergency fund could cover at least 6 months of your expenses. However, now you must increase it further to avoid any setback in your financial condition. Even if you lose your income due to the current situation, you can utilize these funds to support your family. Number 3 is review your budget and daily expenses. While you remain in self-isolation, it is the perfect time to contemplate on your current expenses and understand the difference between what we need and what we want. On usual days, we have the luxury to ignore our budget plans and sometimes even exceeding it because we know we have the resources to cover it later. However, that is not the case now. It is crucial that we review our budget and daily expenses every day and prioritize our needs over our wants. Number 4 is cut down on unnecessary expenditures. As discussed above, one must learn to differentiate between needs and wants. During an economic crisis, we cannot be careless and indulge in irrational spendings on non-essential items. Only when you cut down on your unnecessary expenditures, you can enhance your saving abilities, which will come to your rescue in needs of time. Number 5 is make your transactions digitally. It is always wise to convert your payment methods or modes from offline to online when you are under lockdown. The coronavirus has affected people worldwide and therefore everyone is required to stay home and practice self-isolation. Similarly, banks and other financial institutions have also been shut down to avoid contact with people. In that case, if you are servicing a loan like a home loan, personal loan or car loan and need to pay your EMIs, you may want to switch to digital payments. While you might not have access to the banks, your EMI payments can get delayed, which can result in late fees or loan default. Now last and number 6 is review your health insurance. The COVID-19 outbreak has impacted everyone and everything in the world. However, health remains a big issue in these times. It is crucial that you check upon and review your health insurance from time to time. Check with your insurer to find out whether you can or must buy more insurances. Also, the IRDAI, according to media reports, has urged health insurance companies to extend coverage to COVID-19 hospitalization cases in their policies. Therefore, ensure that you go through your health insurance policy documents and get complete clarity on its list of coverage and exclusions. So that is it for now. And if you really wanted to bring some positive changes in your lifestyle, then go and smash the subscribe button and tap to the notification bell icon to not miss the very next upload. Hit the like button if you like this information and do share it with everyone. This is Divya from Tegonity Academy. See you soon with some more amazing informational stuffs like this. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.